for x and y from this given equation. X squared minus y squared is equal to x minus y all square. Take note of this. If you have a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b. And if you have a minus b all square, this is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Now let's substitute this for this. We have a squared minus y squared is equal to a squared minus 2xy plus y squared. Then from here, this is a squared minus y squared minus a squared plus 2xy minus y squared is equal to 0. Then this will cancel this. Minus y squared minus y squared, that is minus 2y squared. We have 2xy minus 2y squared is equal to 0. Then from here, 2y is common. Let's bring it out. We have 2y bracket x minus y is equal to 0. There are two cases here. 2y is equal to 0 or x minus y is equal to 0. And from here, if you divide both sides by 2, divided by 2, this will cancel this. Y is equal to 0. This is the value of y. Then from here, x is equal to y. This is also the value of x. And this is the final answer. Therefore, x is equal to y is equal to 0. Then we can also solve using another method. Let's call that one method 1 and let's consider an equation. X squared minus y squared is equal to x minus y all square. This is more simple. Here is difference of 2 square. We have s plus y bracket s minus y is equal to s minus y all square. Then let's bring it to this side. You have s minus y bracket s plus y minus x minus y square is equal to 0. So here is x minus y bracket s plus y minus, this can be written as s minus y multiplied by s minus y. Everything equal to 0. And if you look at this, s minus y is common. Let's bring it out. We have s minus y bracket. If you divide this by this, we have s plus y minus, if you divide this by this, we have s minus y equal to 0. Here is s minus y bracket s plus y minus x plus y equal to 0. Then this will cancel this. We have x minus y bracket y plus y. This is 2y equal to 0. Then from here, there are two cases. The first case is s minus y equal to 0, or the second case, 2y is equal to 0. If you divide this by 2, divided by 2, this will cancel this. Y is equal to 0. And from here, s is equal to y, which is also the same answer. We can check to confirm if our answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. X squared minus y squared is equal to s minus y all square. Then when x is equal to y and y is equal to 0, let's first consider this. When y is equal to 0, we have S square minus 0 square must be equal to, here is what? S minus 0 all square. Now this is S square is equal to what? Here is what? S square, which is true. Also, when S is equal to Y, let's consider this. We have S square minus Y square is equal to S minus Y all square. Here is Y square minus Y square is equal to Y minus Y all square. Then Y square minus Y square, here is 0 is equal to this Y minus Y, this is 0 all square. So here is 0 is equal to 0, which is also true. Thank you for watching. Don't forget the step, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.